Jobs in digital marketing. Number 2, digital marketing consultant. And this one is for an NGO, non-governmental organization. Are you ready for the scope? Now, the first thing on the scope of this job: onboard an agreed upon number of graduates for a 6 weeks apprenticeship program where you will mentor and link them with gigs to kickstart their earning journey. Onboarding inamaanisha wewe ndio utaintroduce fresh graduates kwa kitu inaitwa apprenticeship. Number 2, scope. Now that you are a consultant, you will be supporting graduates in landing new jobs through job linkages, such as a shared contacts, subcontracting, or introducing them to potential clients. Number 3, develop a structured mentorship program that will ensure that graduates practice the skills they learned to be par with the industry standards. Number 4, work on gigs under your guidance to attain the required standards. Number 5, work independently on allocated gigs. Number 6, learn how to and work on finding gigs independently. Number 7, review their portfolios and platform accounts to ensure they align with the graduate skills and market standards. Lastly, provide continuous coaching, upskilling to the graduates in line with the industry needs. Transition month. You're supposed to mentor the graduates over a transition period. That can be 1 month or so to acquire gigs independently and evaluate their work before submission to clients. Number 2, provide graduates with complementary job linkages over the transition period to help them attain their earning target. Conduct follow-up and support sessions for graduates who may be struggling to secure their first independent gigs. Then lastly, create a structure for peer mentorship of the upcoming cohorts. How will they monitor and report? As a consultant, you will be developing and monitoring framework in collaboration with the company to track the progress of the graduates during the attachment period. You're also supposed to provide bi-weekly updates on the progress of the graduates on an agreed upon template. You are supposed to participate in regular check-ins with the company team. Then lastly, collaborate with the company team to identify and address training, quality issues and emerging challenges. Then kuna kitu inaitwa deliverables. Number 1, the digital marketing consultant super agent will be required to deliver the following. Number 1, a detailed apprenticeship work plan outlining the weekly engagement plans, work delivery support structures and transition plan for the learners. Secondly, direct job linkages and mentorship to the mentees during the apprenticeship phase. Periodic expert-led mentorship sessions for learners. Bi-weekly progress reports on graduates during the attachment period. A final post-apprenticeship report. What are the qualifications? Number 1, you are supposed to be active in digital marketing as a freelancer for at least 2 consecutive years with earnings over $10,000. You should have demonstrated consistent success on recognized platform or direct client engagements. Platforms wanaongea about vitu kama marketplaces like Fiverr, Upwork. Process the ability and availability to mentor and commit to a structured engagement schedule. Be open to providing graduates with paid gigs. Have a good command of communication tools. Lazima uko able communicate na vitu kama Zoom, Google Meet. Then demonstrate a willingness to support graduates in achieving set metrics. So kama wewe una feel you can meet these requirements or you are up to the task, comment interested. The name of the organization is Generation. I will share the link with you if you are interested in applying for this open position that is still active.